Keerla Neeli Ambat Tender Bamboo Shoots Curry. This very delicious curry is made using the tenderest bamboo shoots. This recipe is by my friend and co-author of KKAJ blog, Veena Mallya. Here is some fresh Keerla Neeli that I have washed well and let to drain. In a pan, add 1 cup of the shoots, add some water, then add 1 tablespoon of cooked tori dal. Add salt to taste and cook on medium flame until the shoots have cooked well. Take about half cup of grated coconut, add about 3 to 4 red chilies and grind to a smooth paste, adding half teaspoon of tamarind paste and a little water.
Miguel and Prayatani Timari, Angelna, Pidike, Angele, Kana, Javana, Saga, Polka, Tani Korka, Palalsana, prayer Tank. Tavali, Tunga, Sartanke, Paunga, Mulane, Miguel Vinunti. Videos like करें, share करें, and subscribe करें.
When the keerla has cooked well, add the ground paste, and add water for your desired consistency. Bring to a boil and then let simmer for 2 minutes. Now switch off. Add a tempering of mustard and curry leaves and cover to let the flavors infuse. Transfer to a serving bowl. Serve hot with rice and other side dishes.